I know that no matter where I go, I will always have a community of other photographers. I'm Elise Rowland. I am a photography major at Belmont University.
My name is Benjamin and I'm a design communications major with an emphasis in photography. My first photo class at Belmont was darkroom photography with Ali Horick. At first I was a little unsure because I'd never taken photos before. I wasn't really aware of what made a good photo, but once I got my first roll developed and I could see all the photos on it, there was a moment where I was like, wait, this is awesome.
The instructors at Watkins aren't just our instructors, they are partners and they genuinely want us to succeed.
I've had professors in the photo program who, throughout the course of a class, will take a little idea that I've had at the beginning and by the end of it guide me through the process of developing it into a whole body of work that could be show ready.
One of my favorite projects, we actually met with a lot of fashion students, either merchandisers or stylists, and we got together and got to pick who we wanted to work with. It was way more of a real world experience. That was awesome, because that's what I want to do.
I would say that it's been super inspiring to be here because everybody's working on their creative projects. There's a lot of creative energy going around that's very exciting to feed off of and be inspired by, but also contribute to.
I'm now part of a community. I can always come back and talk to the instructors here at Belmont, and that is great.